Guis Andy here. We're going to find every piggy and don't press the piggy button. Each piggy I found the cost. It will get hard for this, but let's start with the first piggy, Shadow Hunter. What does Shadow Piggy gives? Shadow Piggy gives 1000 bacon on the button, and it could get 40 damage or 30 damage. There could be another hunter soon, but we'll say another hunter at the 5th piggy. The next person was Felix, a guy with the Hunter Robot reward, which might gives us 250 bacons. Another piggy called the Faceless Roblox Piggy. A piggy that was having it bacon that this piggy have, but whatever. So ye guys, there's still 4 piggies to go.
Hi guys, I like playing Roblox. Hi guys.
The carrot gives 200 plus 400 bacons, or comment down
Hi
below.
guys.
That's gonna cost cool. The third piggy is Hulk Piggy. It gives 250 bacons. Its strength is 10 and the damage were 30. So guys, I haven't seen a lot of piggies that I found. Unicorn Piggy. It gives 250 bacons. Its strength 20. Its damage were 50. Last and final piggy was Lord Hunter. It gives 1000 bacons and strength 40 and even damage 50. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.